Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove duplicated value in a set of data. This is a large set of data containing of several columns and many rows. Let's see how many rows are there. By pressing the Ctrl and arrow key down, you will go to the last row. There are about 199 rows, but I don't know exactly how many duplicated values are there. In order to find the duplicated value, we have two ways. One, the custom or manual method that you go to each cell and each row or column in order to find the duplicated value. But there is one simple way. There is one simple Excel trick in order to find the duplicated value. So first of all, I want to find and highlight the duplicated value in order to see whether they are misspelled or they are really duplicated value. And after that, I will remove the duplicated value. So let's highlight the duplicated value first. The transaction number, this should be unique and there should not be any duplicated value. So I will find only the duplicated value from the transaction column. And of course, the department, there are many similar department and they are duplicated, so I don't need that one. I will select only the transaction column. From conditional formatting, from highlighting sales rule, you go to the duplicated value, and now all the cells containing duplicated value are highlighted. For example, cell number 3 and cell number 2, they are duplicated value. Why? Because all their values are the same. Let's see, they have the same value, 1919, and same department, everything is same, so it's duplicated. And also row number 3 and row number 13, they are also the same. They have they contain the same value, so these are the duplicated value. Now I want to remove all the duplicated value. First of all, select the entire table, then go to the data tab, and from there select the remove duplicates. Now I want to remove the duplicates from all the columns, so you have to press the OK button. Now 5 duplicated values found and removed, and 194 unique values are remaining. If you go to the last row, now there are about 194 rows and all the duplicated values are removed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was useful for you.